Today we're going to change out the tilt switch on our 2014 Ford Explorer. It's the one that does your sunshade and your sunroof. What you'll need for this is a pry tool and of course a new switch, which we will put a link in the description for you. Let's get started. So we're going to take this switch out right here and replace it with a new one. What you have to do, you don't have to pull this all down, just take this your lights out, just press like that, and then it pops right out again. Oh, these clips and this clip. We'll take this piece out next, and there's like a clip here and a clip here and a clip here and a clip here. So just pull down and pull it out and pull that out. Now you have access to the switch, and there's a pin up here and a pin up here, and then the same on this side. I'm gonna get my pry tool and get up here, and you can see right here, if you press down on that, that'll disengage it right there. And then there's one right there. Okay, so those two came out, and then that actually pulled these two out, which is good. Lucky me. But if not, you'll have to just press on the tab here, and that'll pull these two out right there. Push pin at the top here, just push it and pull your switch up. We ordered a new switch online. This is the replacement switch. We'll put a link in the description for you. So match up the holes, plug it in. I hear it snap. Okay, push your wire up here. There you go. So get the front end first and then put the back in. Like, line up the bulbs. Make sure your bulbs are in there and put them in the pins like that. Be careful, that's sharp, because I cut myself earlier. And then line these two pins up in the back. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.